Hi and welcome back. Today I'll be covering the first step I take each time I start a prop account to avoid blowing up my prop farm account. The most important thing is that you have to read the rules. Each of the prop firms have their own rules and it is imminent that you don't break them or else they will close your account. And the only way you can trade again is to pay for a reset fee or wait for the prop firm to reset your account at the next month. Either way, you are paying extra money to the prop firm. And the prop firm, they don't tell you that you can do these few steps to avoid breaking some of their rules because that's how they earn money. They want you to break the rules. Okay, let's take the current account that I have with Linux for example. Right now, for the 100K account with the end of day limit, trading drawdown limit, I have a daily loss limit of $2,200. The max position size that they give me is 12 contracts, and I have to close my position by 3:30 p.m. Central Standard Time. Okay, the problem won't tell you that you can adjust the settings to avoid blowing your account. And you can do this by clicking on the icon, the Rithmic Trader Pro. Usually for the prop firms that trade through Ninjatrader, they will ask you to download this software as well because that's how they control it. You can double click on the Rithmic Trader Pro to open it. And inside, you'll see this on the left hand side, the whole rows of the two columns with icons. Click on the Trader Dashboard. And it will bring you to this. Like over here, you see that my current account is under Linux. And if you right click on one of the account and click on risk parameter or click Control E, you can enter the risk parameter. If you see here, there are three sections. The first one is a risk parameter set by the FCN administrator, which is Rithmic, and in other words, is Linux in this case. The other one is a risk parameter set by the IB administrator. And the third one is the risk parameters set by the trader. For the first one, the risk parameters set by the administrator, you can see that how the prop firms are controlling your account. They have set me a loss limit of daily loss limit of 2,200, where if I break it, they will enable the auto liquidate once I cross the minimum account balance threshold. Okay, and then if you see like in bottom right, they will have like certain buy limit and sell limit. So that is how many contracts you can buy and sell at that time. And what is the commission fee rate? And there's a lot of information that you can get from here. And if you see some, there's a section called auto liquidate at what time, which they left it blank. If the prop firms really want to protect your account, they can set an auto liquidate at certain timing so that you won't break the account yourself. So what can we do? Well, we can be stricter on the risk parameters by ourselves by doing this. Go to the risk parameters set by the trader. And over here, you see that I personally put a stronger loss limit for myself, whereas previously the in administrator is 2,200. Over here, I set the auto liquidate threshold as 1,600. So once my daily loss reached 1,600, it will automatically kick me out from the trade and won't allow me to trade anymore. That way, I will not reach the 2200 drawdown and I can leave the trade for another day. There are many more options for the auto liquidate criteria. The one I'm using here is the loss limit because I'm using a bottom line. There are other options such as trailing inside, which you can choose around and play with it yourself. I will also go ahead. Okay, yep, like over here. I will also go ahead and set an auto liquidate at what time so that it will close all the positions of my contract so that I will not have any contracts open overnight. Over here, I set it as 329. Mainly is because it's attached to my own time zone. But what if you are trading with different contracts that have different trading closing time, such as maybe ES and oil? That way you can go to the contract itself and set an individual auto liquidate time for each of the contract that you are trading at. That way you won't be have issues that you miss the timeout for closing your positions. And RTrader Pro will help close all your trades before that. There is another option where you can control the buy limit because you see that there is a buy limit and sell limit over here. And you can use this to set the maximum contract such that you won't exceed the 12 contracts that the prop firm don't want you to trade more than. In this case, Linux actually set a limit and I cannot change it because you see that it's under blue, but I'm not sure for other cases. Anyway, I usually do not trade as much contract as the prop firm gave me because based on my own trading strategy, that is certainly a one way to go beyond my risk tolerance. Like let's say for 12 NQ contracts that will not allow me, and I have maybe 25 points of risk tolerance. So 25 points might be $500 for one contract, and if I multiply it by 12, then that will be 6,000. I think I didn't do the exact calculation. And yeah, the drawdown from your account will not be able to withstand a 6,000 drawdown, no matter how if you are still under evaluation. If you have passed your trading, if you are past the prop firm account and you have built a buffer, then yes, you can do so, but not when you're still doing your evaluation. All right, I hope you find that helpful, and if you like it, do like, share, and subscribe this video. Until next time, thank you.